Welcome to Headline Hub Updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. The Indo-Pacific was rocked by breaking news, sending ripples across the region and beyond. In a historic move, Japan is transferring its retired Asagiri-class destroyers to the Philippine Navy, marking a significant milestone in defense cooperation. This isn't just a hardware deal, it's a game-changer for regional defense, signaling a new level of trust and collaboration between the two nations. For the Philippines, long challenged in patrolling its vast and resource-rich waters, this is a monumental leap forward in maritime capability. The South China Sea's tense waters just got a new player, as the Philippines strengthens its presence in one of the world's most contested regions. The Philippine Navy, which has operated mostly with aging ships for decades, now faces a future with modern, capable destroyers at its command. This signals a new era of deterrence and sends a clear message to the world. The Philippines is serious about defending its sovereignty and maritime rights. Defense analysts are abuzz and Manila is electric with optimism. The public is watching closely, hopeful for a safer and more secure future. For the Navy's sailors, it's validation and hope for a more capable future, inspiring pride and renewed morale throughout the ranks. The Asagiri-class destroyers are more than ships. They're powerful symbols of a strengthened alliance and renewed security in the region. This isn't just military aid, it's a strategic partnership that could reshape the region's balance of power and foster greater cooperation. These warships are built for real combat with advanced systems for media, destroyer-firing missile at sea, anti-submarine operations from Navy ship, warship radar and missile systems in operation, surface threats, subsurface threats, and air threats, making them versatile assets in any conflict scenario. It's a quantum leap from the current fleet, instantly elevating the Navy's status and operational capabilities to new heights. The world is watching as the Philippines steps into a new era, with global attention focused on this bold transformation. This is a turning point for the armed forces and for Southeast Asian stability, ushering in hope for a more secure and peaceful future in the region. Why does the Asagiri-class matter? What makes this warship stand out in a region crowded with naval power? It's a formidable warship, not just a patrol boat or a simple escort vessel. The Asagiri-class is built for serious combat. Built in the late 1980s, it was originally designed for anti-submarine warfare, but its capabilities go far beyond that. It excels in anti-ship and anti-air roles too, making it a true multi-role platform. For the Philippines, this is a true game-changer, an asset that redefines what the Navy can do. The Asagiri brings advanced weapons the Navy has never had before: Harpoon anti-ship missiles, Sea Sparrow surface-to-air missiles, and ASROC anti-submarine rockets. These systems give the ship teeth in every domain. This firepower gives commanders new options and real control at sea, allowing them to respond to threats with confidence and flexibility. In the South China Sea, where Philippine ships are often outgunned and outnumbered, the Asagiri's presence changes the equation dramatically. Its size and armament are a powerful deterrent, forcing adversaries to think twice before making any aggressive moves. This is modern deterrence in action, showing strength, readiness, and the ability to defend national interests. The Asagiri shifts the Navy from a defensive posture to a true naval defense force, capable of projecting power and leading from the front. It can lead task forces, protect smaller ships from threats, and coordinate complex naval operations, while maintaining a persistent and visible presence in contested waters, even in rough seas or tense situations. With endurance, advanced sensors, and overwhelming firepower, it's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation for the entire fleet. The Philippine Navy can now actively defend its waters, intercept intruders, and respond to incidents, not just monitor them from afar. The Asagiri-class is the centerpiece of a new era in Philippine maritime security, symbolizing strength, capability, and a renewed commitment to national defense. Before sealing the deal, the Philippine Navy sent its top experts to Japan for a thorough inspection. Naval architects, weapons officers, and engineers examined every compartment and system. Their mission: ensure these ships are assets, not liabilities. They checked hull integrity, propulsion, and maintenance records, confirming the Japanese reputation for meticulous upkeep. Combat systems, radar, sonar, fire control, were scrutinized for functionality and compatibility. Weapons launchers were assessed, even though munitions would be a separate deal. The team's verdict: the ships are in excellent condition, with only minor modernization needed. Their positive report gave the green light for acquisition. The Department of National Defense now had the confidence to proceed. The dream of a modern destroyer was within reach. This inspection was the critical step that turned opportunity into reality. The Philippine Navy's modernization was now on solid ground. To truly appreciate the Asagiri-class destroyer, one must delve into its Cold War origins. This era was marked by intense naval competition and technological advancements. Japan needed a robust anti-submarine platform to counter potential threats, but the Asagiri was ingeniously built for versatility, adapting to various naval roles. At over 4,900 tons full load, it dwarfs anything the Philippine Navy has operated, showcasing its formidable presence and capability. 8 ships served with distinction for decades, proving their reliability and effectiveness in various maritime operations. Unlike untested new designs, the Asagiri is a known battle-tested quantity, trusted by its operators. Its size means more fuel, weapons, sensors, and better helicopter operations, enhancing its operational range and capabilities. It can stay at sea longer, crucial for patrolling the vast Philippine archipelago, ensuring maritime security. Designed as an integrated fighting system, its sensors, computers, and weapons work seamlessly together, providing a cohesive defense mechanism. The radar detects, the command system tracks, and the fire control system intercepts threats, ensuring comprehensive protection. This integration is a huge leap from the piecemeal upgrades of older ships, offering a modernized approach to naval warfare. For the Philippines, it's a holistic combat capability, not just a collection of parts, but a unified force. The Asagiri-class is a proven, reliable, and integrated warship, a testament to Japanese engineering. It's a true force multiplier for the Philippine Navy, enhancing their strategic reach and operational effectiveness. The Asagiri-class is a naval triple threat: anti-surface, anti-submarine, and anti-air. Against ships, it wields harpoon missiles, sea-skimming, long-range, and hard to stop. This over-the-horizon strike power is a major deterrent. For anti-submarine warfare, it boasts powerful sonar, towed arrays, AS-ROC rockets, and torpedo launchers. It can hunt and destroy submarines at range or up close. For air defense, it has Sea Sparrow missiles and phalanx CIWS Gatling guns for last-ditch protection. This layered defense shields itself and nearby ships. One Asagiri can lead, hunt, and defend, a versatility unmatched in the current fleet. It replaces the need for multiple less capable ships. For the Philippines, it's a mobile fortress ready for threats above, on, and below the waves. The Asagiri-class is not just a ship, it's a complete combat system. It's the Navy's new backbone. Comparing the Asagiri-class to the current Philippine fleet is like comparing a smartphone to a rotary phone. The Gregorio del Pilar-class patrol ships, former U.S. Coast Guard cutters, are outgunned and outdated. Even the modern Jose Rizal-class frigates, while a leap forward, are half the size and lack the Asagiri's advanced ASW systems. The Asagiri's AS-ROC launcher and towed array sonar give it a true edge in submarine warfare. It transforms the Navy from a surface-focused force to a three-dimensional one. Its larger hull means more endurance, supplies, and command facilities. The Asagiri can act as a flagship, coordinating squadrons and staying at sea longer. Jose Rizal-class ships are excellent patrol vessels, but the Asagiri is a true destroyer. Adding it to the fleet isn't just more ships, it's a new tier of capability. The Philippine Navy is stepping into a new era of maritime power. The difference is generational. Why is Japan transferring such capable ships? Japan's Navy is modernizing, bringing in advanced Maya and Mogami-class destroyers. As new ships arrive, older but still potent Asagiris are retired. Rather than scrap them, Japan strengthens a key partner by transferring them to the Philippines. It's strategic recycling, boosting an ally's defense and regional stability. For the Philippines, building new destroyers would be prohibitively expensive. This transfer delivers high-end capability at a fraction of the cost. The savings can fund operations, munitions, and other upgrades. This model of hardware transfer is a cornerstone of modern alliances. It's a win-win. Japan bolsters regional security. The Philippines gets a vital upgrade. This partnership is shaping Asia's security architecture. The Asagiri deal is a golden opportunity for both nations. Acquiring Asagiri-class destroyers is just the start. Operating them is the real challenge. The ship's complexity demands extensive training, especially in gas turbine propulsion and advanced combat systems. Sailors will train in Japan, learning to operate and maintain these sophisticated vessels. The Navy must overhaul its training, logistics, and supply chains, including new infrastructure and specialized tools. Stocking new weapons and parts will require major upgrades at naval bases. These hurdles are significant, but overcoming them will professionalize and modernize the entire Navy. The Asagiri-class is a catalyst for transformation, not just an addition to the fleet. This deal is more than ships. It's a statement of deepening Japan-Philippines partnership. Once mainly economic, the relationship is now a robust security alliance. Transferring destroyers shows trust and shared commitment to regional stability. It boosts interoperability. Philippine sailors will learn Japanese procedures and technology. This makes joint exercises and real-world cooperation seamless. A stronger Philippine Navy also serves Japan's interests, securing vital sea lanes. It's a proactive move to uphold the rules-based order in the Indo-Pacific. This deal sets the stage for deeper cooperation, future transfers, joint exercises, and intelligence sharing. It strengthens the wider alliance network, including the US and Australia. The Asagiri-class anchors a new era of strategic partnership. Together, Japan and the Philippines are building a more secure, stable region.